Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen to bring down your toggles, and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now locate the screen recording one, which should be visible on one of the pages, hopefully, or not. So if it's not visible, we can add it by clicking right here on this pen. Let's swipe down, and right here below this you can see we already have the toggle visible at the very front. So I'm gonna start holding it here. The text above will change, and you can then drag it above that text, drop it, and when you go back you should have access to it. So there it is. Once you find it now, you just want to click on it. It will bring up this window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, which is turned off by default, and then also show touches on the screen, which records the semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the screen. I'll select start right here. This begins a 3-second countdown and then begins recording. Once you're done, you can pull down your notifications, click right here to stop on the notification, and this will obviously save the screen recording to your Photos application, or gallery as we have right here. In the gallery you want to navigate to folders, and in folders we should have screenshots, but I genuinely don't see it. Oh right, I'm not looking for screenshots, I'm looking for screen recordings, so that's where it is. Anyway, you can click on it. Now unfortunately, as it's located in movies, this will be mixed up with also videos and just any kind of video content that you have on your device. Some other phones organize it a little bit better, putting it into, for instance, screen recordings album, which obviously then consists of only that, making it much easier to find your screen recordings later on. But here you'd need to sift through basically any kind of video content that you have on the phone. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.